Okay, let's continue guys. Kain na tayo ng masarap na luto ng asawa ko, ang fried banana, saba, with sugar on top. Harap. Thank you, my love. Enggak. Salamat tayo ng asawa ko. Magaling magluto yun. Charot daw. Harap kumain ng bungi. It's hard to eat when you don't have it at tot. One tot in front. Let me say one tot. Nasigawas ka, nawa ka. Ano ba? Ano to, sistaga? Kain tayo ng banana. Nawa ka. Harap. Thank you, YP. YP Lisa Laurente. Harap mo dito. Thank you sa anak ko. Binigyan ako ng may nilagyan ng tubig. Grabe. Ang sarap na itong arroz caldo. Update tayo ha. Update tayo ng mga kasama natin vlogger sa YouTube. Shout out Ken Wigger, another ancient gamer. Shout out my friend, American gamer vlogger. To visit his awesome channel and don't forget to subscribe his channel. I play one video for you, sir, but very fortunate that we have an ads. Okay, rock and roll. Dito tayo mabubuhay mga guys sa ads. Nabubuhay ang vlogger. Next, Hapit TV. Shout out Kakilo. Shout out boss Kakilo. Okay, play tayo ng isang video. Yun. Panghanap buhay, may kabuhayan agad. Shout out. Kain na tayo. Kami aga. Ang kaon ba kaga? Ikaw ang kalugaw? Nalugaw pa ito. Stress-free life from Singapore. Shout out. Yan. Si Japit TV at saka si Ken Wigger. Ongoing yung dalawang video nila. Meron pa kaya sa laptop. Mag-replay din ako diyan. So, marami ang i-replay natin. Pag maraming gadgets. Okay, next. Shout out. Yes. Si Kuan. Vlog. Next is to si Ma'am Lourdes Wasen from Canada. Shout out Ma'am Lourdes Wasen. Yung channel niya. Next. To. Please visit this channel and surely you will visit your channel too. So, bisitahan na kayo. So, next is shout out si Banki Sharma. Magaling tong kumanta. Best singer in India. One of the best singer in India. Cover songs. Shout out, mom. I think he is from somewhere in Europe. European countries. So, si Bunda family. Shout out. This last 2 video lang. Okay. Ellen Smile. Shout out, ma'am. Ellen Smile. And then, shout out. Rambel CC vlog. Shout out, ma'am. Yan. Tapos, Caballero Idim. Caballero Idim. Shout out. Next is ito si Busing to. DZM Mix Vlog. Yan. Busing to. Busing. Yan. Ang isa si Busing. Smiling. Last is MA Place. So gaming station, gaming channel. Okay. So next